Are you exhausted from living in the gap between who you actually are and who you think you should be? Most of us never look directly at that gap. Instead, we internalize the belief that we simply aren't enough. We stay small and we make ourselves invisible. But what if that doubt isn't about your worth? What if it's just a stage that you need to move through? In our framework, this is stage one. It is the wake up call. Because the truth is, acknowledging this gap isn't about fixing you. It's about finally seeing you. Confidence is not a personality trait you are born with. It is a process that you build.